Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Dunster House TV. Today we are visiting Neil Baldwin, who, after a change in career left him with the time he needed, transformed his garden and built the Baldwin Bar.
Hi, my name is Neil Baldwin. I live in southeast London and I work in the city. I have a wife and two daughters. In early 2020, I decided to change jobs and in the process had a period of garden leave for about 11 weeks. And it was a perfect opportunity to do something at the end of our garden. So the project was effectively taking down an old garage and erecting a new log cabin.
Like all of our customers, the construction of Neil's cabin made him want to transform the rest of his garden.
Once we built the log cabin, we decided to really use the end of our garden for recreational use, a different seating area. So we constructed a fire pit and a seating area around the fire pit, really quite close to the log cabin.
Neil's Modetro log cabin is so much more than just a cabin. It's a bar, a cinema, a games room, and a space where the Baldwin family can enjoy nights out in the comfort of their own home.
We completed the cabin around early April, and most people will appreciate this was a period when we were in the COVID lockdown. So it was great timing for us as a family, as we were all housebound. Most of us were working within the home, and it was a great escape for us to finish work of a Friday evening and effectively plan to go out for the night, walk down the end of the garden, and then use the bar, play cards at the bar, darts, listen to music, and it was genuinely a lot of fun. We enjoyed kitting it out, and we, to this day, almost a year on, we continue to enjoy it. I'd just like to say thanks very much to Rob Lynch and also Steve Andrews for all of their help in constructing the cabin. We had some good fun building it, and I certainly wouldn't have been able to do it without them. So thanks so much to you.
That's it for another episode of Dunster House TV. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you never miss an episode.